Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am Muhammad Said Lon with today's topic Prayer for Strength. It is class 8 English, page number 59. Dear students, this poem has been written by Rabindranath Tagore. So let me give a brief description about Rabindranath Tagore. He was born on 7th of May 1861 and died on 7th August 1941. Rabindranath Tagore was a polymath, means बहुत से अलूम जानने वाला. He was a poet, musician, artist from the Indian subcontinent. He became the first non-European to win the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913. Tagore wrote in his native Bengali, and his translations became known in the West. He was highly influential in introducing the best of Indian culture to the West and vice versa. So, dear students, ये जो पोइम है प्रेयर फॉर स्ट्रेंथ, एक दुआ है ये. तो इस पोइम में शायर रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर जो है वो अपने खालिक से दुआ मांगता है कि उसकी रूहानी कमज़ोरी दूर हो जाए और उसका दिल ताकतवर और मजबूत बन जाए ताकि वो दुख सुख को अच्छी तरह बर्दाश्त कर सके. वो चाहता है कि वो हर हाल में कमज़ोरों, गरीबों और मोहताजों के काम आ सके, उनसे प्यार और हमदर्दी करे. वो खुदा से दुआ करता है कि खुदा उससे हिम्मत दे ताकि वो गरीबों का गमखार बने और जालिमों के सामने न झुकने वाला बने. वो हमेशा मजलूमों का साथ दे और उनका तरफदार बने. शायर दुआ करता है कि वो आली हिम्मत बने, उसका दिल व दिमाग इतना मजबूत और आला सिफत बने कि गम और परेशानी का उसकी ज़िंदगी पर कोई असर न पड़े. वो छोटी छोटी बातों से कमज़ोर न हो, वो नाकामियों से दूर रहे और हमेशा कामयाबी की तलाश में जद्दोजहद करे. इस सब के अलावा वो दुआगो है कि वो हर हाल में खुदा का शुक्रगुजार बंदा बनकर रहे. वो अपने खालिक की मर्जी को हर हाल में कबूल करे. So, let me give more reading of this poem for you. This is my prayer. Today, my Lord, strike at the root of penury in my heart. Give me the strength lightly to bear my joys and sorrows. Give me the strength to make my love fruitful in service. Give me the strength never to disown the poor or bend my knees before insolent might. Give me the strength to raise my mind high above daily trifles, and give me the strength to surrender my strength to thy will with love. So let me give you a summary of this poem. The poet Rabindranath Tagore implores God to give him strength to bear only love and compassion by freeing him from hard-heartedness. He prays for strength to bear all joys and sorrows. He wants to have a strength by which he can use his love for the betterment of the poor and needy. He implores God to instill confidence, courage, and bravery in him, which he can use to bring comfort to the destitute and stand firm before an unfeeling and unjust person. He further wishes and prays to God for the freedom from daily ups and downs of life, and in the last line he prayed to his Lord to give him strength to submit his whole being to his will. तो मुझे लगता है बाय नाउ आपको ये पोएम समझ आई होगी, प्रेयर ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ। तो इसमें जो है रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर शायर जो है वो अल्लाह ताला से दुआगो है कि वो उससे कवत दे दे, ताकत दे दे, उसकी जो हार्ड हार्टेडनेस है, संगदिली जो है, उस संगदिली को वो चोट मारे, यानी उसका दिल जो है वो हमदर्दी से भर ले, ताकि वो तमाम खुशियाँ, तमाम गम जो हैं उन्हें बर्दाश्त कर सके, वो अपनी खिदमत को जो है उसको फ्रूटफुल बना सके, कारआमद बना सके, वो गरीबों और मोहताजों के काम आ सके, और वो और वो किसी और ताकत के सामने ना झुकने वाला बने। तो इसमें जो डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड्स है, दैट इज स्ट्राइक मीन्स टू एलिमिनेट, पेनरी दैट इज पॉवर्टी और हार्ट-हार्टेडनेस, थी here means you, strength is ability, fruitful, yielding benefits, insolent, insubordinate, trifles, minor details, thigh means your, and surrender is to give up. तो फिर जो possible evaluation हो सकता है, that is, why does the poet want God to strike his heart? The poet wants God to strike at his heart because he wants to get freedom from hard-heartedness, क्योंकि वो संगदिली से आज़ाद होना चाहता है। What does the poet want the strength for? उसको किस लिए strength चाहिए? He prays for strength to bear all the joys and sorrows of life, to provide him the hand of help to needy, to stand firm before the insolent people, and to be free from daily trifles, and to submit his whole being to the will of God. यानी वो अपने आप को अल्लाह के सामने जो है अपनी मर्जी को कुर्बान कर ले। फिर what should our attitude be towards the poor? We should be very helpful to them. We must not abandon them in their hour of need. यानी हमें उनका साथ देना चाहिए, उनका मददगार बनना चाहिए, और जब भी उन्हें हमारी ज़रूरत हो, खासकर आजकल के हालात में ये लाजमी बनता है। What does bend my knees signify? It means giving up of one's courage before insolent people. Why does the poet want to raise his mind high above the daily trifles? The poet wants to do so because he does not want to waste his time and energy by being occupied with the daily trifles of life. Rather, he wants to make a good use of his energy by directing it in the service of his Lord and the needy. Then, why does the poet ask for strength to surrender his will to God's will? The poet asks for strength to surrender his will to God's will because he gets an utter pleasure in satisfying the will of his Lord. Thanks. Have a nice day. Stay home.